Here at Eastside Memorial High School, we will be doing a fashion show, our second annual fashion show.
It's going to be a lot better than last year.
The objective of this program is to help build self-esteem in our ladies.
I gained confidence, I gained trust in myself, and I could believe what I could do if I just tried.
We all come together to make a great community out of school and make a group and show everybody that they are beautiful in the inside and outside. Everybody is glamorous just the way you are.
The theme of the show is natural disasters of fashion.
There's going to be a lot of different scenes representing different weather disasters.
And we're just dedicated to all the natural disasters that have happened in the U.S. in the past 2 to 3 years. And I got that theme through working with kids from Katrina. We have models. We also have young men that work out with the Glamour Girls during the show.
I like to do makeup, and I like to help people get dressed.
They're building the runway. They're doing lighting, sound. Also, some are doing DJing.
I get to work with some of my fellow students, and then I get to talk to them and see how they're feeling. What else can we do to improve our school? Because our school has been going through a lot, and me personally, I'm gonna do whatever it takes to help my school and give it a positive role.
And we also have a wonderful artist that's doing all of our sets for our scenes.
Like, the funny part is like they be like, "Oh my God, I gotta get this right." They be all walking in little high heels. I'm like, and it's like funny because like they be all like walking and they end up tripping or some crap, and I end up laughing. So I don't know, it's a good thing.
We will be wearing a lot of different colors, different schemes of going with earth tones to fire to wind and to blizzard. So I am most proud of their dedication to the practicing and the program itself. The kids are very excited. They're dedicated 100%. They show up 4 days out of the week, every week without missing practice, and they're just very excited.
What I'm going to remember about the Glamour Girls is that I knew everybody has a sister, and I'm going to remember Miss Jackie most of all because she broke her back for everybody.
I'm ready for this show to happen.